Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well today. We are going to look at some yen pairs, and I am going to share this update for our trading community in order to know what is happening with the yen pairs. In my opinion, for the moment it's better if you stay away and not trade because it is getting a bit complex. From the analysis that I posted with USD during the previous days, we can see that from this harmonic pattern, the price already reached all the targets here and so far is moving down again. The problem is that the Bank of Japan is still not clear what is doing. Some of them are sending strong messages, hawkish messages that they may raise rates again. On the other hand, we all know that they lied several times, so this is a big problem. Probably they may not rise. We have also the problem that the interest rates have a big difference between the other currency pairs and the yen as well. So this may keep everything under control and may not let yen getting stronger. In the current conditions, the price is moving down. This is showing the probability that it can move down up to the bottom of this chart here, thus raising the possibility that we can see all the other yen pairs moving down. The focus of the Bank of Japan is only USD yen, are not the other currency pairs related to yen. We have seen that several times and they are following only this. However, what is a bit complex this time is that we have also non-farm payroll data and everything is related also with that topic, so the market will speculate. In the current pattern that we can see is that the price already broke out from this pattern here. It is doing something very complex. Despite that we had a strong harmonic pattern, price tests strong zone, is moving down. So in this situation, despite that is risky, I'm not advising at all for a sale because it can be very risky during these days. It is likely that we can see USD yen to move down up to the bottom of this area that is near to 143.50. So this is the movement that we may see during these days, and the price may face a very strong resistance, a very strong support, sorry. Once this support will be broken, then the next challenge will be near to the bottom of the structure zone. So this is what I'm looking at overall from USD yen this time, but this is also related with the non-farm payroll data and also with the expectations about FOMC meeting that will be during the mid of September, and the market is expecting a possible rate cut. So this is the movement that the market is anticipating, considering also the pattern that we can see in this zone. If we are going to look at the other pairs, I'm going to update GBPJPY. We may also see that this is the analysis that I posted 2 or 3 days ago. It was posted 2 days ago, as I see. The price was 192.20, let's say. It moved up near to the first target and it moved down. From this area, 192.20, it was this zone here. The price increased by 130 pips and later moved down. So look at the situation where we are right now. Everything was transformed, and from a bullish triangle pattern, the market is not clear about the next direction. This is getting more visible, let's say, considering that these patterns have been transformed too much during these days. We are not in the bullish scenario anymore, but what the price is doing is that after completed this wedge pattern, it's showing the possibility that it can begin a bearish movement. How deep it can move from this area will be related with the speculation that USD yen will face during these days and the false messages that the Bank of Japan will send. A very strong area will be found near to 186.90, approximately this zone here. However, we have to be careful because the price may lose the momentum easily, and the next zone that it can move down could be the other structure zone, and we have another structure zone here. So all of these areas are important if the price will continue to move down. But I'm not sure if we are going to have this strong bearish momentum in order to push the price in this way. However, this is what the pattern is already showing in the current conditions, so for a possible bearish wave here. So let's be careful and let's see what is happening. We have a complete transformation of the picture. And the next one is Euro-Yen. Also, this was transformed too much. From this point, it was showing for a bigger bullish move when I posted this analysis. The pattern was not that clear because it was facing many problems. It reached one target, was transformed, and here we are in this moment right now. For the moment, Euro-Yen is moving inside this pattern here, like a type of channel pattern. The chances are that it can bounce up again from this zone here that is near to 159.80. But considering that USD and Euro-Yen are already pointing down, it is likely that it can break this pattern and it can continue in this way. That is why we have to be careful. However, it's in a critical situation as well. So one possible movement is that it may face strong support and it may rise further. On the other hand, it is not supported by USD that is showing that it can move down more. So that is why we have to be careful, because we can see that the price may move down further as well. So these are the targets that we may focus for Euro-Yen if it moves down as well. So overall, as we can see, we have a very complex picture. It's not clear at all. Euro-Yen, GBP-Yen once again is pointing down. Euro-Yen has a mixed picture, and USD-Yen is pointing down as well. So this is the current situation that we have with all the yen pairs. It is better to be careful and to stay away until we see the non-farm payroll data, but this pattern so far is showing that USD-Yen is going to move down. So this is overall for the yen pairs. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button and follow. Bye bye.